Meaning of exorcist.
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 Exorcist. An exorcist is a person who performs the ritual of expelling evil spirits or demons from a person or place. The process typically involves prayers, holy water, and other religious symbols and actions. The result of an exorcism is that the possessed individual is freed from the influence of the demon or evil spirit, and is able to return to their normal state of being. Exorcisms are typically performed by members of religious institutions, such as priests or other clergy members, and are considered to be a powerful tool for combating demonic possession.